Welcome back to the Navisworks tutorial. In this lesson, we'll be continuing our look at the Timeliner tool. Specifically, we'll show you how to add a selection set to a particular task. What this allows you to do is use the selection tree to create a task. This can greatly simplify things. If, for instance, you know that all the components of a single type on a single level are going to have to be constructed or demolished at the same time. So for instance, let's say that we want to put the structural columns from level 2 in their own task. Well, we can go to the selection tree, select the level 2 structural columns, and then click the Add Set button in the Set window directly below the selection tree. We'll name this set Level 2 Steel Columns, so we'll know what we're working with as the project goes on. Now that we've created our set, we can create a new task to which we will then attach that set. So the first thing you want to do is click the Add Task button under the Timeliner. Once you've added your task, you can go ahead and name it if you want. But the important part for this lesson is that you should right-click on the new task that you've created, go to Attach Set, and then click on the set that you want to connect to that task. You can now see under the Attached heading that the particular set that we created is associated with this new task. Now, all you have to do is go through and finish the rest of the details for the task. That includes setting the start and end dates, and giving it a name. Once you've done those things, your task now will operate exactly like any of the other tasks in the Timeliner.